watch the video after that, then we will have the great conversation of your lifetime. So, as you can see on your screen, this young man, Oshenifie, and may assure the all assemble bulbs now. Usually, yeah, the boy rooms now outdoor now then. But when you read some of the comments there, they are very, very, very painful.
Yeah, very
and I will let PKB do that. PKB, I don't know, say boy comment section.
I've opened maybe a comment section.
You should share some of the comments Ghanaians are telling this young man. You think it's discouraging?
Well, I think the guy is doing well because to be able to assemble these bob parts, it's not a joke. Just say like we shouldn't be being an opposite or you BB, but just say I said and last long into any problem. No?
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
So but we're from VJ Parker Rich. I have me Parker Rich Studios now. Nyama could say that I shall not be only me where I day. I day here with my brother
PKB.
Shout, PKB.
The building. Abba.
Yes, I. But today there is something we saw on the internet and I think we need to speak about.
Yes.
I don't know your opinion. My name is Adrian. I don't know what you think about it, but for me, I think it's a step in the good direction.
Yeah.
That when people are doing such things, we should encourage them. There is a video of a young man or a manufacturer, bulbs. I'm sure that's the kind of bulb you buy in your house.
Yeah.
Let's watch the video after that, then we will have the great conversation of your lifetime. So, as you can see on your screen, this young man, Oshenifie, and may assure the all assemble bulbs now. Usually, yeah, the boy rooms now outdoor now then. But when you read some of the comments there, they are very, very, very painful.
Yeah, very
and I will let PKB do that. PKB, I don't know, say boy comment section.
I've opened maybe a comment section.
You should share some of the comments Ghanaians are telling this young man. You think it's discouraging?
Well, I think the guy is doing well because to be able to assemble these bob parts, it's not a joke. Just say like we shouldn't be being an opposite or you BB, but just say I said and last long into any problem. No?
But how do we even judge the on last long?
Say I'm for if you check the comments, I say a bit more talk into within 2 weeks now shit, obviously 2 days now shit, and check I'm for problem.
But what about those that have bought some 4 months? Because more bombing here bought for a very long time.
Say ABR now to me. Yeah, to me interested. I don't know if he guy with you know, but at least me I feel say he's doing something right. But just say I can't the quality almost be count to me at least 6 months can but he's doing the right thing. Wait, Aboriginal uncle Obibi now are investing in him. They will just set him up and then he will start running. And then by the time we realize this will be a made in Ghana boba, the boy down here already in our system. Just say I can't quality, you know.
I think do you know where I think the problem is?
Wait.
I think environment. Do you think that if people saw him in some overall with some vest, with some, nice looking environment?
True. Appearance also counts
very well. It's me sure then come out for blasting baby for what he's doing.
Yeah.
Because of the environment, people are judging the book by its cover. Because they feel though area or on your factories are machine and manually. Definitely these things wouldn't last long. But for all you know, what he's doing, or your papa.
Yeah.
You understand? Mostly one thing that I tell people in there, a drummer was a full machinery, you can't compare that one to what a human being is doing.
Yeah.
If they on a good day, if the human being is not tired, they can actually pay attention to details
properly.
You understand? And know that okay, this isn't fixed well. A computer or a machinery has been programmed to do something. And to say, I don't know you on you. It just they run through. You understand? And so I think people like that, now that we have a new government that he is thinking about 24 hours economy, this is something that they can do here.
Yeah.
We should start doing these things.
This thing here.
Those that promise one district, one factory couldn't do these things. Let these people, let's empower them. Now, when you're the major so that I'm sure if guy, if you're not putting a dream on the number of jobs they do, if by chance or when you pay 10,
poor,
another 20 in a world producer, they can produce for the whole Accra.
Yes.
You understand? And I think on the level of business too, anybody who is doing a production is hoping that you come and buy again.
Yeah.
So if the bulb should last for eternity,
how can you come back and buy again?
You understand? And so there are products that they can actually last longer, but manufacturers in Ankasa, they will make sure that it should have an expiry date so that business can move on. So let's applaud the young man. Let's read some of the comments.
So guys, join us. Let's go through some of the comments from TikTok. At Landlord One says, Ghana here, no wonder it doesn't last. At Barbara Ado says, that's why the white cap always removes. Hey, Barbara, at Ephraim Segu says, bro, please do it well. Why? Now it doesn't last long. Cry 3 weeks. Now Bob no shit. As Spanky says, a lot of negative comments. It really shows we don't support our own. It's true, pa. Bibini, yeah,
No, that's too harsh.
That's too harsh. Don't do that. Spanky, don't do that. At Ludacris says, no be ECG fault. Now I see. With laughing emoji. Hey,
Charlie, let's edit there. Let me tell you an interesting story.
Okay.
So, woman.
But let me give you this last one. Made in Ashama says, there is hope for Ghana. Keep it up. This is motivation for the guy.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Now, let me tell you something. There was woman in our God was about pilot school. And other bunny to show no mammy do school was on a crane no about for some. No mammy call America. No, so America, there's this plane in Kitibia, you can actually fly and with you and your partner or your mom. And now Okwaje one. You don't mammy ever fly. And the mom started asking questions. Now, Papa, why never two plane? No, so Mama I say, whoa. Jai. But now have my own family too. And you could see that Mammy no investing. Well, a friend of mine.
Yes.
So we feel like, okay, and it's like that. Sometimes when your mom or car mobile driver owns through, but some mammy you there in your car can. That's the car, but don't bet anymore. Adrian who two. But about 4 car, only stranger, only the level of experience. So guys, let's believe in our people and let's empower them. And I'm sure it will end all of us well. My name has been DJ Parker Rich. I did this with my brother
PKB.
This is Parker Rich Studios. Here, you create content and answer womb. You understand?
Yeah, man.
We do research and we bring you what it go make sense and it go improve your life.
Yeah, man.
Make a time with PKB.
Yeah, man.
On Parker Rich Studios.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Hit the subscribe button.
Join the family in the videos tomorrow.
Yeah.
In Muzara Kodo. We are out of here.
Yeah, peace.
Bye.
Black level.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.